What is one key part of the management component of the comprehensive program that you feel you may not have the skills or ability to lead and oversee? So obviously, the first thing that comes to mind that I've been reading is obviously just the leader. There's a counselor that takes the role of what has the role of the lead counselor and takes the role on this, and I don't think that's something I feel at all confident in doing. I don't normally take the leader role, but I am always more than willing to participate. I think I'm really good at backing up the leader and providing encouragement and reinforcement to the group. I think that's something that I kind of excel on. But even just going through this whole book and learning about the changes that would need to happen for a comprehensive program, it kind of scares me a little bit. It seems like there's a lot of stuff. More specifically, I think something that I want to start working on, and I have been, is advocating for myself, just because I don't see myself going up to somebody and saying, this isn't what we're supposed to do, or based on, the information we've collected and the math we've done, because obviously there's math in this book. These are not under, guidance counselor duties. And that's, I like to be a team player, and I like to make sure that I'm a part of that before I go to anybody about an issue or, responsibilities that I shouldn't be doing. So I think in regards to this, I think just advocating for myself a little bit more, I think that's something I'd like to work on. Like I said before, I'm really good at organizing. I'm really good at planning. I'm really good at providing encouragement and reinforcement. So I think I'm just really good at backing it up. I just need to work on taking the initiative and advocating for myself, or working up to that leader role. I mean, obviously we're going to be new counselors, so we're not going to be in the role. There's so much we need to learn, but I'm more than willing to help out the group, especially if it's going to, if it's for the better, and if it's going to help make our program better, and it's going to help us actually, use our time wisely.